Good afternoon. Chapter Application of Derivatives. Topic Maxima, Minima. Exercise 6.5, question number 5. The question is, find the absolute maximum value and the absolute minimum value of the function in the given interval fx equal to x cube, where x belongs to minus 2 comma 2. Okay, minus 2 comma 2, it is in the closed interval. So function is fx equal to x cube. Okay, so here fx equal to x cube. So find its derivative. First order f dash x. F dash x is equal to 3x square. Okay. Now f dash x equal to 0 gives f dash x equal to 0. This means 3x square equal to 0.
X is equal to 0.
X equal to 0. Okay. So we will get the point x equal to 0. Now at x equal to 0, what is the functional value? That is fx. So at x equal to 0, x equal to 0, fx equal to 0, fx equal to 0. Now see the interval minus 2 comma 2 in the closed interval. So find f of minus 2 and f of 2. So at x equal to minus 2, fx equal to at x equal to minus 2
minus 8.
fx equal to, so x cube, that is minus 2 whole cube, equal to minus 8. Now at x equal to 2, fx equal to, because interval is at minus 2 comma 2 interval, minus 2 comma 2. So fx equal to 2 cube equal to 8. Okay. Now question is find the maximum and the absolute minimum value. Okay. So maximum value is 8 minus 8, 0. Okay. Out of these three value, so 8 is the maximum value. So absolute maximum value is 8 at x equal to 2. Hence absolute maximum value is 8 at x equal to 2, and absolute minimum value is, so minimum value is minus 8 at x equal to minus 2. Okay. Clear? Absolute maximum and absolute minimum value. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next question number 2. Part 2. Number 2 is Same type question. Fx equal to sin x plus cos x. Plus cos x. X belongs to 0, pi. X belongs to closed interval 0, pi. Okay. Now f dash x equal to its derivative. F dash x equal to sin x derivative
Cos x minus sin x.
cos x, and cos x derivative minus sin x. Okay. Now f dash x equal to 0. Equal to 0. This gives cos x minus sin x equal to 0. Okay. So this means sin x by cos x, tan x equal to 1. Okay. 1 means tan pi by 4. Therefore x equal to pi by 4. X equal to pi by 4. Okay. So at pi by 4, fx value fx equal to, at x equal to pi by 4, fx equal to sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4. So sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 plus cos pi by 4
Plus 1 by root 2.
equal to 2 by root 2. 2 by root 2 means equal to
Root 2.
So at x equal to pi by 4 it is root 2. Now see the interval 0 and pi. So at x equal to 0, at x equal to 0, and see the first point x equal to pi by 4 within this interval 0, pi, it's okay, 45 degree. So you can take, okay, this root 2 with this value. So x equal to 0, fx equal to sin 0 plus cos 0.
Equal to 1.
Sin 0 is 0 plus cos 0 is 1.
1.
So equal to 1. Now then x equal to pi. At x equal to pi, fx equal to sin pi plus cos pi plus cos pi. So sin pi is 0, 180 degree, and cos pi is
Minus 1.
So equal to minus 1. Okay. So minus 1, 1 and root 2. Okay. So which is the maximum value?
Root 2.
Root 2 means 1.414. So root 2. Okay. Maximum value is root 2. So therefore So absolute maximum value is √2 at x equal to pi by 4. And absolute minimum value is, so minimum value is -1 at x equal to pi. Okay, is clear?
Yes, sir.
Next question. Number 3 is fx equal to four x minus half into x square. X square, x belongs to -2, 9/2. -2, 9/2. This is the interval. Okay, 4x minus half x square. So its derivative, therefore f dash x equal to
4 minus
4 minus half into 2x, that is only x, no? 2 cancel.
Yes.
So 4 minus x, so f dash x, now f dash x equal to 0. This gives 4 minus x equal to 0. This means x equal to 4. X equal to 4. Okay, now at x equal to 4, fx value at x equal to 4, at x equal to 4, fx equal to 4 into
16 minus half into 16.
half into 4 square, that is 16. 4 square, x square. Okay, so equal to 16 minus 16/2, 8, equal to 8. Now add, so -2, 9/2. 9/2 means 4.5. Okay, so at x equal to 4, in between -2, 9/2, it's okay. So next,
Yes.
next at x equal to -2. At x equal to -2, fx equal to, so 4 into -2 minus half into -2 whole square. So 4 into -2, -8. Okay, and minus half into 4 minus 2 square plus 4. Okay, then minus 8 and minus 2. 2 to the 4, 2, so minus 10. Minus 10. So another point, 9 by 2. At x equal to 9 by 2. X equal to 9 by 2, fx equal to 4x minus half x square. So 4x, 4 into 9 by 2 minus half into x square, that is 9 by 2 whole square. 9 by 2 whole square. So this equal to 2 to the 4, that is 18 minus
81 by 8.
81 by 4. Equal to 18 minus 81 by 8. Okay? 8 is
Yes.
the 8 LCM. 8 into 18,
So 144.
144 minus 81 equal to this
63.
3, 6.
Yes, sir.
63 by 8. Okay. Now 63 by 8 means 7 point something.
7.875.
Okay, less than 8. And another one is minus 10 and 8. So which one greater? 8 and 63 by 8? 8.
8.
8. So absolute maximum value is 8 at x equal to 4. X equal to 4 and absolute minimum value at minimum value is, which one minimum value? Minus 10. Is minus 10 at x equal to minus 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Number 4. Fx equal to x minus 1 whole square plus 3. X belongs to minus 3 comma 1. Okay. So therefore f dash x equal to its derivative 2 into x minus 1. Okay, and x minus 1 derivative 1. So 2 into x minus 1 plus 0. Derivative of 3 is 0. Okay. So now f dash x equal to 0.
X equal to 1.
Gives 2 into x minus 1 equal to 0. So this means x minus 1 equal to 0, and so x equal to 1. X equal to 1. So at x equal to 1, interval is minus 3 comma 1. Okay, in between 1 also you can take. So x is equal to 1. So at x equal to 1, fx equal to fx value
Minus 1 minus 1 whole square plus 3.
1 minus 1 whole square plus 3, 1 minus 1 0, so equal to 3.
3.
And another point at x equal to minus 3.
Minus 3. Minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus 3.
Fx equal to minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus 3.
16 plus 3 equal to 19.
So minus 4, 4 4 is 16, 16 plus 3 equal to 19. Okay. So maximum value is
Sir,
19.
1 plus.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, sir, nothing, sir.
Okay. See, question is x minus 1 whole square plus 3, no? X minus 1 whole square plus 3.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Its derivative is 2 into x minus 1 and 3 constant is 0. So x equal to 1. So at x equal to 1 it is 3. And another interval is the minus 3 comma 1. That means at x equal to minus 3. So at x equal to minus 3 it is minus 3 minus 1. So minus 3 minus 1 means 16
Yes, sir.
plus 3. Okay. So 19 and 3. So write the answer now. So the absolute maximum value is
19 at x equal to minus 3.
the value is 19 at x equal to minus 3 and minimum value is 3. At x equal to 1. Okay, clear? Absolute maximum, absolute minimum. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, say question number 6. Question number 6 is find the maximum profit find the